When the Koda 12 was launched 4 years ago, for me it was a game changer. I bought it because it was an affordable pizza oven, it was lightweight and easy for me to carry around, and also it was the first pizza oven I used that had a linear gas burner at the back. The other pizza ovens I was using at the time were the Gosney Rockbox and the original Ooni gas burner in the Ooni 3, and both of those had round burners, and those ovens had been designed for other fuels to be used with them. The Koda 12 was the first pizza oven I'd bought that was designed specifically for gas, and that gave this oven, with its linear burner at the back, a design and performance advantage. It was made for gas, and it showed that in its performance over the years. We've been using this lovely little oven for 4 years now, and it's still going strong. Let's talk about the setup. I have found the Koda 12 to be very user-friendly. It's designed for easy assembly. With its foldable legs, it's easy to store and can be ready to cook within minutes. It's a gas-fired oven, which means it offers convenience and consistency with the delivery of temperature control inside the oven. The built-in gas ignition system ensures hassle-free lighting, and you can easily adjust the wispy flame to achieve your perfect cooking temperature. So what are the benefits that make the Koda 12 a great pizza oven to use? Well, it can heat up a pizza oven easily and quickly, and it heats up to a high heat of 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 to 20 minutes. But over the years, I haven't just cooked pizza in this oven, as there's the option to cook other dishes such as naan bread, garlic bread, steaks, roasted vegetables and other cast iron dishes, and of course a pan-cooked pizza. I found that some of the portable pizza ovens over the years since this oven was launched have become larger and heavier, and some are becoming a bit too heavy for portability. I'm struggling with some ovens I have already, so what makes this oven so versatile is that it is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and set up wherever you fancy cooking. The stone can be removed, and that makes it even lighter. This oven is lighter than my full gas bottle that fuels it. The Koda 12 can cook a lovely authentic taste Neapolitan style pizza because of the temperature the oven reaches, both on the stone and inside the oven. The stone cooks a crisp, fast cooking pizza base, and the linear gas burner at the back delivers an easily controllable wispy flame, very similar to a wood-fired flame that cooks the crust and toppings fast without burning. Check out my useful Koda 12 tips video in the link above and below that provides more advice on stone and oven temperature cooking in this oven. The oven's powder-coated construction still looks modern and sleek. I love that there are no sharp edges to this oven, and the structure is finished to a high standard with its curved edges and is very well designed. It also makes for easy cleaning. I just give the shell a quick wipe down with a damp cloth when it's cool, and that's because it gathers dust and not because of the pizza cooking. It just needs a quick wipe at the front where the semolina drops near to the front edge of the stone when I launch the pizza. All other debris is burned off from the high heat temperatures inside the oven. However, if you've burnt pizza debris on your stone and finding it difficult to get it out, check out my helpful How to Clean Your Pizza Stone video in the link above and below. Over these years, the Koda 12 has proven its durability and reliability. The powder-coated shell and steel interior has held up exceptionally well, and the burner at the back continues to deliver a perfect flame just as it did 4 years ago. I've learnt a lot by using this oven over the years. I've been on a real pizza journey with this oven. Providing pizza regularly to the family and sharing my pizza cooking progress with you through all the seasons, the Ooni Koda 12 has been a huge part of our pizza cooking journey over the years. So there you have it. The Ooni Koda 12 gas-fired pizza oven has not only served us well with its lovely wispy gas flame benefits, but has also stood the test of time. It's been a great investment and has taught me a lot about how to cook and use a pizza oven. Check out our other pizza cooking videos, our first oven cook videos, and also our pizza oven reviews and pizza cooking tip videos in the links above and below. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.